Morning to all of you from Sabha Teacher. Welcome to the virtual learning of Shanti Juniors. Kids, today it's time to learn a new letter. Yes, but before that, teacher wants to sing a small song for you. We have learned so many letters and their sounds. Yes, we have learned so many letters and their sounds. So today teacher is going to teach you new letter with a sound. Yes children, today we are going to learn a new letter. Which letter? We are going to learn letter K. Yes, which letter is this? Letter K. K. Say with teacher. K. And how you write letter K? We use one standing line, one slanting line and one more slanting line. That makes our letter K. Say again, letter K. K. Yes children, now let's see the few things which come with letter K. K for kite. Yes, K for kite. K for knife. K for kitten. K for key. K for kangaroo. K for kettle. K for kiwi. K for king. K for knee. K for kingfisher. It's a bird. Kingfisher. And K for kitchen, where mama makes yummy food. What we call it? Kitchen. Yes, that comes with letter K. Very good children. So you know these all things come with letter K. With letter K. Very good. And say again the sound of letter K. K. Let's learn the phonic song of letter K. I'm flying my kite, I'm flying my kite, Flying my kite, flying my kite, I'm flying my kite, Very good children. So learn the sound of letter K and the words which come from letter K. Thank you. Bye.